In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build KPI tiles in Power BI. Start by opening Power BI Desktop and loading any report you want to enhance with quick performance insights. On the right-hand side, look for the visualizations pane. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see all the visual icons. Find the KPI visual and click it. A placeholder will appear on your canvas, ready to be wired up. KPI tiles are perfect for highlighting a primary metric at a glance, showing how it's trending over time and whether it's meeting a goal. Next, assign the fields that power the KPI. For the main value, use a measure that represents what you want to track, such as total sales or revenue. This becomes the headline number, often called the call-out value. Then add a date field to the trend axis. This allows the KPI to draw a sparkline that shows how the value has moved across time. If your date has a hierarchy, you can choose the level that makes sense, like month or day, so the trend is meaningful rather than cluttered. Finally, add a target field to the target input. This can be a column or a measure that represents your goal, like a monthly target or a company-wide threshold. Make sure the target's granularity aligns with your trend axis. For example, monthly targets pair best with a month trend, so comparisons stay accurate. With the KPI wired up, it's time to format it for clarity. Click the KPI visual to select it, then open the Format Visual pane on the right. In the callout value settings, adjust the font size, color, and display units so the headline number is large, legible, and uses an appropriate abbreviation like thousands or millions. In the indicators or icons section, confirm that the direction cues, such as up and down arrows or color states, match your definition of good performance. For the trend axis, refine the line style and color so it's visible but not overpowering, and ensure the date granularity remains consistent with your data story. Turn on and label the target so viewers immediately understand what the goal is. You can rename the target label to something more descriptive and choose a contrasting color that stands out from the trend line. Lastly, check the date display options so the time context is clear, for instance, using month-year formatting to avoid ambiguity. That's it. Your KPI tile now clearly shows the current value, how it's trending, and whether it's on track against the target, giving your audience quick, confident insight at a glance.